Okay. Okay. Damn, you did really good with the fucking triple wire game. That was really good.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah.
But okay. You did way better than I expected. But I think overall, in terms of like the game overall, we have to go way faster with that one too, though.
Yeah,
But
I need to start writing down because like the way that one works is occurrences, and I need to remember how many times that specific color has shown up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it's occurrences. It's not the numbers. It's how many times that specific wire has shown up in that stage.
I can do it.
I've got pen and paper. I can remember it. If you just like, I just need to, yeah, you know. Maybe it would be faster for you to do it actually because.
Yeah, I can do it because I have no bad habit anyway.
You see, right, and I hear, right, and seeing is faster. Yeah. Maybe it's easier for you to do that. So I think the only colors that show up is red, black, and blue.
Black and blue. Yep.
You just need to make 3 columns and then like how many times it's shown up.
Okay, pictograms. Ready?
Pictograms. Okay, let me get to it. What the fuck is it? Okay, go.
Upside down Y, O with a tail under it, a weird Kellogg's H, and a A with a T inside of it. A little bit tough.
Upside down Y.
One looks like a pyramid with a T in it. Upside down Y, Kellogg's or whatever.
Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, I've got it. Mate.
Okay, and
yeah.
and O with a tail.
Okay, so the O with the tail, the pyramid, the upside down Y, and then
done. Okay, we're gonna go to wires. Wires, go up, scroll up.
Wires. Yep.
6 wires, 4 blues, 1 yellow, 1 white. 6 blues. Okay. 4 blues, 1 yellow, 1 white. 6 wires so total.
Okay. Is it? Wait, how many whites? 1 white?
1 white.
Okay. Cut the 4th wire.
Strike.
Fuck, what?
4 blues, 1 yellow, 1 white. Starts with the blue, ends with the blue. 6 wires. We have to go fast. Just letting you know.
Cut the last one.
Done. Okay. Coordinates. You have to go really fast. Coordinates. Now, I have 3, 3, and 4, 6. 3, 3, and 4. Fast. 3, 3. I start at 4, 5, and I'm going to.
Yep.
I'm going to 5, 2.
Go to 5, 2. Okay, so go right, up, right, down, down.
Yeah.
Down, left.
Then down.
Is that right?
I'm at 6, 3. I'm going to 5, 2.
3?
Yeah.
Oh. Go left, up, left, down, right, down, and then all the way to the right.
Left.
Does that work?
Nope, we're solid. Nope, done, GG. Fuck, man. It's okay.
Am I? Huh?
It's okay.
Wait, was that my fault?
I guess both of us.
I'm not sure. I think I did bad there.
Give me
okay,
wires. Give me wires. I gave him the right coordinates. Okay, 4 yellows, 1 white, 1 black. 6 wires. 4 yellows, 1 white, 1 black.
Okay.
4 yellows.
Cut the last wire.
Done. Okay, pictograms, go fast.
Yep.
Okay. Question mark upwards. Hourglass, TB, and octopus. Octopus with a T next to it.
Octopus with a T, huh?
It looks like a triangle with an E. Just forget it. Just find one that has upside down question mark.
Yeah, I think
hourglass, which is like an X with an I in it, and a TB.
Oh, yeah.
And an octopus looks like it. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so do the TB.
Yeah.
I think this is the octopus. Do the octopus, the TB, the octopus, the hourglass, and then the question mark.
Done. Okay, this is a hard game. It's the game with all the words. Like wait, read, yes, okay, that one.
Oh, this one. Okay.
It's tough.
I don't think we've done this one.
Okay, no, we're done. Okay, you have to find the ones that have all the words in it and find the right one. Okay, again, ready? My word I have on screen.
Display? Yeah.
On the I have read, R-E-E-D. Read. Ready?
Okay, bottom left.
Okay, that's a strike. Reset.
Huh?
I have dare. It's like they're stupid.
They are like that.
No, theirs. Like they're stupid. Not they are.
Yeah,
They're.
Bottom left.
Strike.
What? Huh?
I have hold on, and in my series of words, I have next, you, like, what, you,
Why is it? Oh, I get what you have to do now. I'm so dumb. I'm dumb. Okay, so what have you got on your screen?
Okay, yeah, that's a two-step game. I have to tell you which one I have, and you have to go to the column that has all of them and find which one I think, or something like that.
No, you need to tell me what you have, and then I need to tell you what button is in what the I is, and then I need to go, and then you need to respond back, and then I need to tell you one of these, and you need to press them. This is a long one.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Ready? Wires. We're gonna slap this, dude. Wires. 3 wires, all red. That's it. 3 wires, all red. It's that simple. Nothing else. 3 wires, all red.
Okay, cut the last wire.
Done. Okay. I have 2 blues, 1 black. Same game. 3 wires, okay. 2 blues, 1 black. 3 wires, 2 blues, 1 black.
Cut the last blue wire.
Good. Pictograms. Fast. You go really good.
Yep.
I have stitches. Poseidon and N.
Oh, okay. Stitches, A, Poseidon, N. Easy. That. In that order.
Good. Bun.
Okay. What color is it?
White.
What's it say?
Press.
Just hold it.
Yellow.
Release when there's a 5.
Fuck. We're wasting time here. Fuck. Done. Okay. I have coordinates.
Okay.
I have 4-1, 4-1, and 5-4. 4-1, 5-4. Divided by each other.
Yep,
I'm starting at 6-5, and I want to go to 4-6. I'm starting at 6-5.
Okay, just go up and then to the left.
Twice?
Just go to the left as many times as you want. Yeah, up and then to the left.
GG.
Done? That was a speed run of the century.
That was world record for sure. Let's see, I want to see. Top 2%.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Top 2% worldwide.
Wait, that's actually huge though. Dude, those games were quite easy though, to be honest.
Yeah. Dude, fuck, man, you're right. Okay, known for error. 5 modules, okay. 1 strike. 1 mistake, we lose here.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's gonna be tough.
How long have we got?
5 minutes.
Okay, so that's 1 minute per module.
Yeah. Ready? We're gonna go to wires. Ready?
Wires?
6. Yep. White, double blue, double yellow, red. White, double blue, double yellow, red. White, okay. Double blue, double yellow, red.
Cut the 4th wire.
Okay. No bad game. I have a 4.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
What the fuck is it? Why is this one so far down?
I hate this. Yeah, it's really annoying.
I wish I had this in like real life. Oh, there it is. Okay, what have you got?
I have a 4.
Button in the 4th position.
Come on, I have a 4.
Button in the same position as stage 1.
Ready? I have a 4.
Button labeled 4.
4.
Same stage 2. Same position. Stage 2.
Same position. I almost fucked it up. 4.
Same label stage 3.
Done. Okay. The weird word game. Can you do that? It's gonna be tough, dude.
The weird one, the one that we struggled with last time.
Yeah.
Let me find it. Yeah.
Okay. My display says hold on. My options are press, ready, middle, right, blank,
okay,
left.
But what's the bottom right one? What's the bottom right?
Left.
Left. Okay. Right. Where's the left? Okay, so the ones I've got is right, left, first, no, middle, yes, blank, what, wait, press, ready, okay, nothing. I think you said left, right? So just press left.
I'm not convinced.
You have to press right, left, first, no, module, yes, blank, what, wait, press, ready, okay, and nothing. Right? This is how you do this, right? Am I dumb?
Okay, okay, give it to me in order. What
Yeah,
is...
I'm giving.
Go ahead.
The first one is right.
You can
Right.
Okay.
Then left.
Well, reset. Okay, it worked. Now I have
Okay.
read. R-E-E-D. My buttons
R-E-E-D.
are press right, first, yes, wait.
You don't need to tell me this. What's the button in the bottom left?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So the first ones we've got is OK, O-K-A-Y, right.
Right is the first one. I can get it?
Okay. Yep. Press it.
Poof. Next puzzle. Says no.
Okay. Okay. Bottom right. What's it?
What?
What? Okay. What? Is what with a question mark or just
No,
what?
no question mark. Just what? Shut up.
Okay. What? Left? Nothing?
I have what
Ready?
then? I have what? What?
Yeah, press what?
What question mark or not?
No question mark. What?
Okay, 2 more games. Wires. 6 wires. Wires.
Six
Oh, wait.
wires.
Oh, blah. 6 wires. 3 whites.
Yeah, come.
3
What you
whites,
got?
1 black, 1 yellow, 1 blue. 6 wires. Black, yellow, blue, triple white. Black, yellow, blue, triple white.
Okay, if there's cut the 4th wire.
Bun. Last puzzle. Bun. Red hold.
What the fuck is button? Okay, hold it.
Blue.
4. When there's a 4 in any position, let go.
Explode.
What? Huh? No way.
What
Dude,
the fuck happened? What happened?
What did I read wrong?
What happened? Okay, the button is.
Oh, dude,
No,
I'm dumb. You hold and release immediately. Dude,
Oh.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Fuck, man. If the button is red and says hold, press, and immediately release the button. Yeah, okay, it's fine.
Yeah.
Dude, that would have been a
I
record. That
skimmed
was
over
really
it.
good for this level, though. That was really fucking good.
Yeah, that was actually really fast.
A
Guys,
button again. Just do button. Press white. Press
Okay.
white press.
okay, that you hold. Hold, and what color?
Red.
Red?
Yeah.
One.
Wires. Go. Wires.
Yep.
4 wires. Red, blue, yellow, blue. Red, blue, yellow, blue. Red, blue, yellow, blue. 4 wires. Red, blue, yellow, blue.
Okay. Cut the first wire.
Exploded.
What? What am I doing wrong here? If there's more than 1 red wire? No, there wasn't more than 1. Wait, was the last wire yellow?
No.
Look, if there's exactly 1 blue, there was no blue, right? Oh, there was.
Yeah, there was.
Oh, dude, I'm actually Papega.
Alright, it's fine, dude. Again.
Dude, I'm rushing. I need to take
Wires.
time. To,
6.
Okay.
White, blue, red, blue, black, blue. So 3 blues, 1 white, 1 red, 1 black. Triple blue, white.
Okay, what's the
red,
last
black.
digit of the serial number?
1.
Cut it. Cut the 3rd wire.
Okay, wires again. 5 wires. All different colors. Yellow, red, blue, black, white. In order. Yellow, red, blue, black, white. 5 wires. Yellow, red.
Okay. Cut the first wire.
Done. Okay. Now we're gonna go to pictograms. Pictograms should be close in your book. Pictograms. Ready?
Yep. Yeah.
Omega, Poseidon, I, E backwards. Poseidon, Omega, I, E backwards.
Okay. E backwards. A. Poseidon. Omega.
Done. Okay. Now we're gonna go to word game. Word game.
Word game. This one. Okay. Yeah. What have you got?
I have read. R-E-E-D.
Read. Okay. What's bottom left?
Sure.
Sure.
S-U-R-E.
Okay. You are the word. You are.
The word you are?
Yeah. No, like 2 words.
Yeah, you go ahead.
are
Next.
Done. Like.
Done.
Your.
Done. Next. Next. My analog says there. T-H-E-R-E. Like right there, man.
Okay. There. Bottom right.
Next.
Next.
It says next.
Oh. Next. Okay. What with a question mark?
No.
Aha.
U-H space H-U-H?
Yeah. Aha.
Next. I have, wait.
You have what?
I have nothing on it. It is nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing at all.
The word nothing or nothing?
It's nothing. It's blank. It's
Okay,
nothing.
bottom left. What's bottom left?
Done. D-O-N-E.
This is a mind fuck. Okay. Sure.
Sure
space,
is it.
ha.
Done.
Yeah, sure.
No bad game. Analog with all the numbers. Go ahead.
Oh,
I
yeah.
have a 3.
The 3rd position.
Three.
The 1st position.
2.
Same label you pressed in stage 1.
1.
Same position, stage 1.
3.
Same label, stage 4.
Done.
Okay. Is that the whole thing done?
Yeah.
Oh, easy. Oh,
That was fucking sick, dude.
how long do we have left?
We had 2 minutes left.
Damn.
We are top. Wait. Top 70%. Yikes.
We suck.
How is that top 70%? We fucking rolled it.
Nice,
Didn't we
man.
just fucking hard roll this?
I felt like we rolled it.
Okay, we can go next section and we can go to harder ones. Section 4.
Calm down, buddy.
Well, there's only one more we could practice in that category, and then we have to go next anyway.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Do it.
People have any cheat? That's fine. Okay. This section needy. A small wrinkle. 6 modules, 1 strike. We can't fuck up. Jesus Christ.
What we got, mate? Wires? Or
Yeah.
what?
Wires.
Yeah.
6 of them. Black, blue, yellow, blue, red, white. So 2 blues. 2 blues.
Okay.
All
How many yellows?
1.
And there's more than 1 white or just 1 white?
1 white only.
Okay. Is there any red wires?
Yeah,
No?
1.
Okay. Cut the 4th wire.
Done. Okay. I'm oh my fucking god. I'm going to candy cane, Venn diagram.
Oh, that one. Okay. Yeah.
Ready? No
Yeah.
lead, no star, white. So nothing.
No lead.
No star, just absolutely nothing.
Just white.
White.
If it's just white, cut it. If it's just white
Okay.
by itself, cut it.
Same thing but with a star. Only white but with a
Everything
star.
Okay. Cut it.
Okay. I have blue and white. So only blue on its own, striped. Lead and star.
There's an LED and a star.
Yeah.
So blue LED and a star. Okay. This one's kind of hard. This. Do not cut it. Hello?
We exploded.
Why? Did you cut it?
We had a bomb module.
A what?
There's a bomb in the bomb.
Fuck off! Fuck off! What the?
I have another bomb in the bomb. Okay, go to the module bomb. I've never seen this before. I don't know what that is.
A what?
A bomb in the bomb.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
This one.
It's a
Discharge the capacitor before it overloads by holding. You need to keep watching. I'm pretty sure you need to. You need to charge it before it overloads. Discharge the capacitor before it overloads by holding down the lever. Hold down the lever, maybe. Try and see what it does.
Oh, I get it. As we go to the puzzle, I have to go back and charge it.
Oh, okay. So it's like you have. I get. Okay.
That's fucking cancer, dude.
Yeah, that is absolute.
That is complete dog shit.
Wait, we're doing pretty good though.
Yeah, we're pretty good. We're pretty good, man.
Oh, shit.
Yo, we're resending chat. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, wires 6. 2 blacks, 2 whites, red, blue. 2 blacks, 2 whites, red, blue. 2 blacks, 2 whites, red, blue. 6 wires. 2 blacks.
Cut the 4th wire.
Done. Okay, I have pictograms.
Mm-hmm.
TB, a devilish 3,
Yep.
a C with a dot in it, and a backwards P. Note.
Okay, TB, C with dot in it, backwards P, 3.
Done. Okay, I have buttons, do buttons.
Okay, what is it?
A yellow press. Yellow press.
Okay, hold it.
I see blue.
4.
Okay, a blue press. Blue press.
Blue press. Same, I think you hold it.
Yellow.
5.
Done. Okay. The word game would read red.
Oh, okay. Yep. What have you got?
I have red. It says R-E-D, red.
The color. Okay. I don't see red. Where is that? Dude, where the fuck is red?
It's R-E-D.
Oh, yeah. What's the middle right?
Nothing. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. Nothing.
Okay, the word. R. Right.
U-H-H-H? Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, next. Wait. There. Like they're stupid. T-H-E-Y.
Bottom left.
But is sure.
Sure. Okay. You are the words. You are.
No.
Done.
Nope.
Like. Your.
Like. Next.
Yeah.
I have display. Display. It says display.
Display. Okay. Bottom right.
Done.
Yeah. Done. Fuck. Okay. Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Huh? Okay.
Done. Finished. We're 2:45 on the clock, baby. We're 2:45 left.
Oh damn, that was easy. That was easy. I'm on my A game today.
And we fucking popped out, baby. 18%. It's not even that bad. Dude.
Mate.
Oh! Look at this. People are cheating. People have like botted accounts.
Let me open up.
Look at this.
Unknown.
People
What
fuck
the
up the stats.
Okay, dude, that's kind of weird. I want to see how good we did. What the fuck is an unknown, bruv?
How is this not botted? They all have the exact same number. And it's all unknown.
You cheat, dude. No, we don't cheat. We're not cheating. How are we cheating?
Oh,
We're playing
no, the
within the
usernames.
rules of the
Okay,
game.
I'm dumb. I'm fucking stupid. No, look. All players. Oh, you're right. It was just bugged.
Oh.
Yikes.
Oh, okay.
Pay attention, it says. 5 modules, 1 strike, 5 minutes.
5 modules, 1 strike. Okay. Alright, what we got?
Wires. Ooh, that one looks pretty crazy. It's easy. Wires. Go. 6. 2 blues, then all different. 2 blues, then a black, white, yellow, red. 2 blues, all. Yeah. 2 blues and all the colors.
Cut the 4th wire. Cut the 4th wire.
Okay. Another one. Another wires. 6. 2 blacks and all the colors. 2 blacks, all the colors. 2 blacks, all the colors.
Okay. Cut the 4th wire again.
Okay. Now, the number game again. Number game with notepad. Notepad game.
Notepad. Okay, yeah.
I have a 1.
Oh, that one. Fuck. Okay, press button in the second position.
I have a 4.
Same position, stage 1.
I have a 1.
Same label, stage 2.
I have a 4.
Position, stage 2.
I clicked the label of stage 2. I clicked the label of stage 2. Fuck, man.
Blow up? Oh. It's fine, man. It's a mistake. It's hard to keep track of everything.
Wires again.
Okay, wires. What we got, mate? How many?
2. Yeah, 5. 5, 2 whites, 1 red, 1 black, 1 yellow. 2 whites.
What? Okay.
Everything else but blue. 2 whites.
Is there more than 1 yellow? No, only 1 yellow. Okay. Cut the first wire.
Okay, now we have pictograms. Stitches A6N. Stitches A6N. Stitches.
Okay, six stitches A-N.
Okay, now do the notepad game again.
Okay.
2.
Second position.
Two.
Okay. Same position, stage 1.
3.
Button in the third position.
2.
But first position.
4.
Same label you pressed in stage 3.
Done. Now coordinates.
Right, what you got?
Coordinates. I have okay. I have 3, 2, and 5, 6. 3, 2, 5, 6.
Got it.
I'm starting at 6, 2, and I'm going to 4, 6. I'm starting at 6, 2. I'm going to 4, 6.
Okay. Okay, so you want to go left, up, right, up, left.
Done. All done. Over. Wait, 300 kilo, baby.
Easy. How good will we do?
That's gotta be like a world record or something.
That has to be, surely.
6%. That's still pretty good.
That's pretty clean. That is pretty clean.
What about Fortnite? Is that the event? Do you have to join an events? I can launch the game. Hold up.
That's pretty poggers, I have to admit, mate. Travis Scott in Fortnite, first Marshmallow, now they're getting Travis Scott. Now that is pretty poggers. Am I right?
That's about as poggers as it gets, I think. Guys, people said that 8 minutes is fun. Is it fun? 8 minutes? What's the event? Travis Scott live concert, dude.
That is pretty cool, though.
It is pretty cool. Yeah, right.
It is pretty cool when you think about it, though. It's kind of cool. It brings people together, and it's like a huge worldwide event. It is pretty cool.
Okay, 8 modules, 8 minutes.
8 more. 8!
I'm not kidding.
Okay.
That's serious.
All right, let's go. What we got?
Jesus Christ, it's gonna be pretty crazy.
Wires?
Is that the game, man? Wires 6.
6 wires. Okay, what we got?
Blue, yellow, white, red. Everything but black. 6 of them.
Okay.
2 blues, 2 white, 2 yellows.
2 yellows. Okay. Okay. Is that red? You said red, right? No
Yeah.
Red? Okay. Cut the 4th wire.
Okay. Now I have let's do pictograms again because it's probably close in the book. Pictograms.
Pictograms.
Omega,
Right,
Poseidon, 6N. Omega, Poseidon, 6N.
okay, 6. Wait, 6 Poseidon N Omega.
Okay. Now we're gonna do the notepad game.
Yep. Yeah, what we got, mate?
Okay, I have it 1.
Okay, second position.
I have a 3.
Button in the first position.
I have a 4.
Button labeled 4.
I have a 3.
The same position as stage 2.
I have a 1.
What, a 4?
1.
Oh, a 1? Same label as stage 1.
Done. Okay. Simon says. Go, go, go,
Yeah,
go, go.
yeah. What the fuck is... Oh, we ain't done Simon Says in a while. What the fuck is it? It's up, right? Up? Okay, yeah, what you got, mate?
Yellow.
What, have you got vowels?
Yeah, I have a U.
Okay. You got yellow, right?
Yeah, yellow.
Okay, so you want to press green?
Green. I have yellow, red.
Okay, green, blue.
Yellow, red, red.
Green, blue, blue.
Done. Over. Okay.
Easy.
Now we're gonna do the tough one, the club one, the club clicker one, the scroll or whatever.
Oh, fuck this one. Okay. What the fuck is it?
We need to work together on this one.
Yep.
My first letter is trash. I have nothing good. Like MBLTXH. It's not a vowel.
Okay.
My second, I have an E, which is pretty good. VSNB, whatever. Third one, garbage. All I have is an I for a vowel. The rest is DFVP, whatever. Last letter,
Okay.
LRWFBLRWM.
Okay. What? Okay, have you got, Every?
No,
No, you
first
said
letter
no-
is trash.
no vowel.
There's no vowel in
Yeah,
first
yeah,
letter.
I'm looking, There? There, THEIR.
No H in second position, no H in second. In second, and my second is still pretty bad. All I have is an E for a vowel and an SNBLTSN. Don't be attached to your T on first.
Below? BELOW?
Trying it. Done, worked. Okay,
Oh, easy, easy.
button, is it close? Button or coordinates? Button or coordinates? Whichever is closer. Button or coordinates?
Coordinates.
Okay, okay, my coordinates are 2, 3, and 5, 5. 2, 3, 5, 5. Should be easy. 2, 3.
Okay.
5, 5.
Up?
No,
Wait,
no.
Where do you start?
I'm starting at 2, 3 again, and I'm going to 5, 4. 2, 3, 5, 4.
You're going to 5, 4.
2, 3, 5, 4.
Okay, so go up,
Yeah,
right,
yeah,
up,
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Wait, where are you going again?
5, 4.
5, 4. Okay, up,
Yeah,
right,
yeah.
down, right, down, left.
Done. Okay, button now. Button or Venn diagram. Button or Venn diagram. Whichever is closer.
Button.
Abort, red. Red, abort. The button is red and it says abort.
Okay, hold it.
I have a blue.
4. A 4 in any position. This should work.
Done. Okay, now, Venn diagram. Last one. I start no lead, no star, full white, like last time.
Cut it.
I have Spider-Man, red, blue, no lead, no star.
Okay. S. Cut if the last digit is even. Of serial number.
It's 0. What is that?
Even. Cut it.
Red, no lead, but I have a star. It's pure red, pure red.
Red and
no
star.
lead, but I have a star.
Okay. Got it.
Done.
Done?
Yep.
Easy. Dude, we're rolling. We're rolling.
Hold on, what is happening? Can I even tab out of this? What the fuck's going on? Top 20%, which is I think pretty good for how tryhard people are in this game.
Yeah. It's alright. Yeah, that one was kind of hard. It was long.
Just for fun, let's do an old modules, an old easy level, and try to spear the fuck out of it.
Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna start.
Guys, how do I get in queue so I don't have to wait like earlier? Because a lot of it is we can do it. Hold up. Did you fill or not? I'll do fill. Okay. And you have to click play. Do I click play? Okay. Let me get a better skin, but this skin sucks balls. Well, it's gaming into the game. Well, what the fuck just happened?
Hey, dude, I got to pee 2 seconds. I'll be right back. 2 seconds.
Guys, tell me. You have to queue at 6:30 and wait 30 minutes? Is that how it works? Okay. I'll wait for him. Sorry, chat, I want to do this, chat. It'll be good. I'll go fucking put some socks on. Hold up, chat. Sorry about that. I'll mute it yes for now. Fuck. Hold up. I'm here, chat! Come here, chat. Okay, what to do? What's up? Socks? Yes, because I've been biting on my fucking toenails and on my toe skin, and I have to let them heal, so.
Hello? Oh, okay.
It helps me not fucking click on it. You there?
Yeah, what's up? Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
it's gonna be really easy, but you need to go fast. Okay, we need to try to break record. 3 modules, hard run. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Try to beat the world record. Go, ready? Bun, red.
Hold?
It says
what color?
hold.
What's it say?
Red hold.
Hold it.
Blue, white.
1. 1 in any position.
Nah, reset. He did this 7 seconds last time, remember?
Wait, is red and hold?
Yeah, remember last time? It was press and release.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It's press and release. Okay, I'll remember that. I'll write this down. Okay.
Bun, red.
What's it say?
Press.
Okay, this one you have to hold.
Red.
1. A 1 in any position.
Okay, next game. A number game.
What's up,
notepad.
xQc, love you, oi man, keep up the great work.
What we got?
A 2.
Second
Hello
position.
xQc.
What?
Hello chat.
Second position.
Have a good day.
2.
Same position, stage 1.
3.
Third position.
1.
Same position, stage 1.
1.
Same label you press in stage 1.
Okay, now I have the word game. Read, Need to go in queue? Not yet. It says read, or like reading.
Okay. Yeah. Middle right.
It says okay.
The word or the letters? Okay.
O-K-A-Y.
Okay. Middle, no. First, yes.
Okay, next. I have. Now it says there. T-H-E-R-E.
Bottom right.
It says wait.
U-H-H-H-H. No. Blank. Okay.
Next.
The word.
It says T-H-E-R-E.
Bottom right.
No.
Wait. Oh, okay. Blank. U-H-H-H-H. Wait. First. What?
Well, no,
Ready?
no, you have to go again. I did it again. Forget it. We lose now. Guys, I'm in queue already. Hold up. I got it.
Huh?
Chat, now how does this work? Yeah, it was over anyway. The puzzle would go over too hard. We couldn't be the record. There's no way.
Okay.
What do you mean deaf? I was something in the back. Are you kidding me? Am I deaf? Can you not hear that? Bitch, motherfucker. His TV went off or some shit. I heard somebody yelling or whatever, dude. No, he said U. He said U-H-H-H-H. Not U-H-H-H. You fucking pig. Why am I getting in game? What's happening with this game? Guys, what's going on?
This is Travis Scott.
Yo, boys. I did that talking again. I did that talking. Hold up, chat. Hold up. Yeah, this is a crazy event, dude. This is the biggest event of the year. Kidding me, dude? This is like gaming history we're seeing right now, dude. I don't want you to miss that, you know? It's my job to give them what they want. I want them to be part of the event that's gonna go on ESPN and on CNN.